Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is gonna be our video number 36. And here is our question, that is, ask the user to enter their name and surround their name with stars. So let's see how we can solve this question. Okay, so I have already created a file. So let's first create a function that is def print name with stars, and we'll provide an argument that is name. Now we'll create a variable that is stars equal to, we'll use the asterisk into length of name plus 4. So what we are doing here, we are calculating the number of stars needed to surround the name entered by the user. Okay, and we all know length function is a built-in function in Python that returns the length of the string. So in this case, the length function or the length name will return the number of character in the name entered by the user, and this plus 4 calculating the total number of characters needed to surround the name, including 2 stars on each side of the name and 1 space character on each side of the name. Let's print the star, and we'll use the formatted string. In placeholder, we have to write the name. Let's print stars. Again, we have to get out of the function. We have to write name, and we'll ask the input from the user, enter the name, and we'll call our function print name with stars, and we'll provide our argument that is name. Okay, so let's run the code. Name Afshan. See, the length of the word, okay, that is star into the length of the word, right? Length of the name, sorry, plus 4. So it is calculating the total number of character needed to surround the name. In Afshan, we have 6 stars, right? 3, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we are adding 4 extra stars in our name. Cool. Let's run the code again. AFS Hackers Academy. This is cool. Okay, so this is a very cool program that you can use to surround your name with stars in Python. Just give it a try and let me know your thoughts in a comment section. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning.